Your PC could be 10 times faster if you put in these settings, and you're going to thank me later as soon as possible. First, you need to optimize your PC GPU or graphics. This makes your computer to run very fast and perform very well. So come to this start menu button, click on it, click on settings, click on system, click on display button here. Now scroll down to the base of this page. Under related settings, click on graphics. Now go ahead and click on this button that says change default graphics settings. Now it brings to this interface. Make sure that this button is turned on. If it is turned off, turn it on your device. With this, your PC will perform very well. The next thing you have to do is to come back to this place, write in CMD, then right click or you click run as administrator, then you click on yes. So it brings to this interface. Then I will drop this in the description of this video. Just copy this code, right click here, then hit the enter button. So this will help you remove unnecessary functions that make your device to run slowly. Now close this window to move on to the next step. The next step is common steps that a lot of users normally engage in, but if you have not done that, then let's do it. Come to this place, right click on the start button, then click on run. So you have to this place, then in this space here type in prefetch, hit the enter button or OK button. Then this comes up. If you have any folders here, kindly delete all these folders by Ctrl A to highlight all, then delete. Then the next thing is to come to the place again, right click on it, click on this run button, then type in temps, TEMP, then hit the enter button. It brings to this interface. So you have tons of file here. If you have not been doing this time to time, you may likely have tons of file here. So click any one of these, Ctrl A, then Shift Delete or Delete to delete everything here. Click on yes, then click on yes if it comes out. Then sometimes you have this option that says it cannot be deleted. Don't panic. Click on this to do this for all current, then click on skip. So this will delete every caches on your device, will be taken away. Then the last but not least is still the same thing. Come to this place, type in run, then click on this run option. Now here type in %temp %, then hit the enter button on the keyboard or click OK. As well, brings to this interface. You can see we have tons of files here that is of no use. So do right click, then delete, then click on continue button, then click on this button, do not and skip all. So this folder are currently open on your device and it's going to be taken away from it. So with these settings, your computer will behave very well. The last but not the least is very common. If you have not been doing that, then always do that. Open the taskbar or task manager. You can right click here and click on task manager. You can as well right click on the start menu and click on task manager. It brings to this interface. Then come to this side where you see startup. Make sure that apps here are disabled. Only allow the audio device to come to be enabled. That's your speaker, then your security, and some of the things that you need to use, like this update drivers here. So you let them run on your device when you start up. So in order to disable any of these, just click on it like this, then come to this place, click on this disable, then you are good to go. You can actually right click, then click on disable. You are good to go. So with this, guys, your computer will be 10 times faster than how it works. So to have this perfectly done, once you complete all this process, then restart your PC. Then you are good to go. If you're enjoying what I've explained in this video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips like this. Your comment is very important to us. Please drop it in the comment section.